which was awesome to get. Forgot his name. Ooh. Actually kind of creepy. But it's Team Rocket. Look at that. That is awesome. About the move, guys. Very excited. I've been dreaming about this for a long time. Oh my god. I've actually been wanting this Psyduck ever since I started seeing people getting these. I've always wanted this Psyduck. I got it. Oh my god. What do we have here? Oh, that's really nice. Just love him. Holy shit. I think this is another rare that I see back here. I'm gonna go ahead and do this. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put this in the sleeves. Made a mess over here already, goddamn. Moment of truth, guys. Let's see what it is. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Oh my god, the Lucario. I think that's a Lucario, right? The EX. Oh my god. That is beautiful. That is really beautiful. It has more cards in it. That's because there's something special in it. Just like this. Just like this. Who is this? That is beautiful art. Holy crap, guys. Mr. Krabs. Ooh. Oh my god. We got 2 awesome ones right here. Look at that. That's so beautiful. I love full arts. Alright guys, 2 more packs. We got this because the last 2 had something really, really good. Got some I forgot what those were called, like an EMT thing. Ooh, that's like an ice horse. I actually did get this a little while ago on the app. Got a bet? It's a rat. Don't know what that is. Sheep. Eating a frog, or does it have frog legs? Okay. Ooh. Oh, whoa. Okay. Well, that was a... I don't know who that is, but I guess we saw this. It's full art of... That's something. Whew. That's awesome, though. We got the Pikachu! Oh my god! Oh my god, I got the Pikachu! No fucking way! No fucking way! We got the Pikachu! Oh my god, I'm wanting this one too. I think my brother bought one of these. Maybe it was a different one. Wow.